What's up in this tutorial, I'll show you how to log out of mail on your Mac. But before you start, please consider subscribe to our channel and liking the video. Let's follow my steps. Click on command space and type here mail. And open the app. Once you're here, you can click on mail at the top left corner, and after that click on settings. And here you can see your accounts. You can click here and your account is disabled. And when you close your app and again open it, you can see, and as you can see, my email is disabled. And I can again click on mail and settings, and here enable here, and again restart program, and my mail here. But we can click on mail at the top left corner and click on accounts. After that you can see all of accounts. You can click on your accounts mail, click here, or just click on delete account. That's it, I hope it helps. You can watch this new video or this playlist about MacBook. See you later.